At a certain time of day, a tree that is X meters tall casts a shadow that is X minus 28 meters long. If the distance from the top of the tree to the end of the shadow is X plus 8 meters, what is the height X of the tree? So we're going to read this again and draw a picture. So we have a tree. Yes, I do great trees. There's our tree. At a certain time of day, the tree is a tree that is X meters tall. So there's the height of the tree. Cast a shadow that is X minus 28 meters long. So here's the shadow down here. And that shadow for the tree is X minus 28 meters long. If the distance from the top of the tree to the end of the shadow is X plus 8 meters, what is the height of the tree? So this is our picture. So using Pythagorean theorem, I'm going to have X squared plus X minus 28 squared equal X plus 8 squared. This is going to be X squared plus X minus 28 times X minus 28 equal X plus 8 times X plus 8, which is X squared plus X squared minus 28X minus 28X plus 784 equal X squared plus 8X plus 8X plus 64. This gives me 2X squared minus 56X plus 784 equal X squared plus 16X plus 64. And transfer that to a clean board. So I've transferred that over. We have 2X squared minus 56X plus 784 equal X squared plus 16X plus 64. Now I'm going to subtract X squared, 16X, and 64 from both sides. And that's going to give me X squared minus 72X plus 720 equals 0. So two things, when I multiply them, give them 720. Add them, give me negative 72. So that is going to be negative 12 and negative 60. So this factors into X minus 12 times X minus 60 equaling 0. I'm going to set X minus 12 equal to 0. X minus 60 equal to 0. Here I add 12. This gives me X equals 12. Here I add 60. X equals 60. Now I have to go back and I have to think about what my picture looks like. So I'm going to go back and look at that and all the different dimensions that I have. So I transferred over the dimensions. I had a height of X. The distance, the length of the shadow was X minus 28, and then the length from the top of the tree to the end of the shadow, which was the hypotenuse, was X plus 8. And I have two choices here for my dimensions, X equals 12 and X equals 60. So if I plug in 12, this is going to be 12. 12 minus 28 is going to be a negative number. So I'm throwing out 12 because I can't have negative distance. So now I need to think about X equaling 60. And here I have 60 minus 28, which seems reasonable, and 60 plus 8. So this one is 68, and that one is 32. So our height is 60 meters.